Today's video is fully dedicated to a Windows utility called Partition Assistant. This is not a sponsored walkthrough or a surface-level overview. Disk tools sit in a sensitive category. People usually look for them when something already feels risky. So the goal here is simple. Does this tool let you plan and execute disk changes with confidence without forcing you into blind steps? I want to be clear about how this test is structured. For this recording, I'm focusing on live operations, previews, and real-time behavior inside Windows. Some disk changes naturally require a reboot. Rather than cutting recording or stitching clips, I'm showing what happens up to the point where the system confirms exactly what it will do. That preview stage is where good disk software earns trust or loses it. After installation, the interface immediately lays out every connected drive in a clear visual map. You see partitions, sizes, file systems, and free space at a glance. Nothing is hidden, nothing is abstract. Disk tools should feel calm and predictable, not clever, and this one gets that right. One of the most common problems Windows users run into is a full system drive. Updates grow, applications expand, and suddenly the C drive is packed while another partition sits mostly empty. Fixing this manually with Windows tools is limited and often frustrating. Here, resizing and extending a system partition is visual and deliberate. You drag space from one partition to another, and the software shows a before and after layout of the disk. At no point does it rush you. You see exactly which sectors move and which partitions change size. Even before applying anything, you already know the outcome. When an operation requires a reboot, the software clearly explains why. It doesn't surprise you. It cues the task, locks in the plan, and waits for your confirmation. That separation between planning and execution is important. Disk software should never force immediate action while you're still thinking. Cloning disks is another area where clarity matters. If you're upgrading from a hard drive to an SSD or moving to a larger drive, the difference between a smooth clone and a failed one usually comes down to boot configuration and partition alignment. Partition Assistant walks you through the cloning process step by step. You choose the source disk, the target disk, and the software automatically handles layout adjustments. Before anything is written, you get a full preview of how the destination disk will look. Even without completing the final reboot during recording, you can clearly see how the system partition, recovery partition, and data layout are preserved. There's also a dedicated OS migration feature, which differs from full disk cloning. This lets you move just the Windows system to another drive, leaving large data partitions untouched. The tool shows how the boot partition is recreated on the new drive and how Windows will recognize it afterward. This is especially useful for people moving Windows onto a faster SSD while keeping storage separate. Another feature worth highlighting is MBR to GPT conversion without data loss. This is increasingly relevant for modern systems using UEFI or larger drives. The software checks compatibility first, explains what will change, and previews the result. You don't get a vague warning, you get a clear, technical explanation in plain language. Partition Assistant also includes Windows To Go creation, basic disk cleanup, and partition recovery tools. These aren't the focus of this video, but it's useful to see them integrated rather than scattered across separate utilities. One thing that stands out throughout the experience is how the software treats risk. Nothing executes instantly. Everything is queued. Every action is reversible until you click Apply. That design philosophy matters more than any single feature. Disk tools should assume the user is cautious, and this one respects that. Now, let's be realistic. No disk utility can protect you from failing hardware, power loss, or ignoring warnings. Backups are always essential. This software reduces risk through transparency and planning, but responsibility still sits with the user. Based on real usage inside Windows, Partition Assistant behaves the way professional disk software should. It explains what it's doing, shows what will change, and waits for confirmation. That's exactly what you want when dealing with partitions, boot records, and system drives. This video is an independent review based on hands-on testing and live demonstration. If you manage Windows systems, upgrade drives, or want to fix disk layout problems without reinstalling your operating system, This is a solid tool worth considering. You'll find relevant links, including affiliate information and discounts, in the description and pinned comment. Use the tools that fit your workflow, understand what they're doing, and never treat your data casually. That's it for this dedicated review. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.